Hi everyone, welcome back to RachandBella Crafts. I hope you're all well. So thanks for joining me for this quick video this evening. I am going to do the giveaway for the Tips, Tricks and Hacks collaboration. But first of all, I just want to say a huge thank you to you all for all of your support, for all of the comments that you've left, for all the likes that you've left, and just for your amazing support of all of the collaborators. They really appreciate it. So before I do the draw, let's have a quick look at what the prizes are, shall we? So I've done a quick little sheet just so that I know what I'm drawing out, and I've printed it off here, so I'm going to write your names on there as you're drawing out of the drawing. But let's have a quick look at what we've got. So we've got quite a few prizes up for grabs this evening. So we've got, there are 3 prizes of £20 credit for our Etsy shop. And then Rose from Heartfinds is doing an Ephemera and Embellishment pack, which will come out to you in the post if you are the winner. Shanouki from Shanouki Arts is also doing Ephemera. She's going to be sending out a pack of her handmade index cards. You get a set of 3 of those, and they were amazing. I don't know if you've seen her video yet. If you haven't, go check it out. Fab idea. Frapps and Scraps. You'll be having a napkin bundle from there, and the second prize then for Shauna's Facebook group, she's got like you need a subscription basically to join the group. It's called Frapps House Fun, and you get a month's free subscription. Angela has very kindly donated 3 kits, so there'll be 3 individual prizes there as well. We've got Anna from Pink Monarch Prints. She's gifting 2 gift codes for her Etsy shop also, so there's 2 prizes there. Rose from Journals in Time is giving away her spring digital kit. Lynn from Sparkles Creation has got a fabric album cover. Then we've got Edith from Scrapbooking with Me. She's done a £25 gift card voucher to her store. And we've got Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. She is also giving away a digital kit. And then Cori is going to be giving away the notebook that we all saw her create in her tutorial. My gosh, that is quite a plethora of prizes there, isn't there? So, okay, right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the comment picker, and we're going to copy those across in a second, and we'll drop that in there. But first, before I do that, there's just one more thing I want to tell you. New project. What are we doing this month? Well, rather excitingly, we are joining with Rose from Journals in Time. Rose is on our design team. She's also been in the collaborations that we've done, so I'm sure you'll all know who Rose is. And we are doing a celebration for our Celtic heritage this month. So if you go over to Rose's video that has just been put up today, she will tell you more about it. There's going to be a giveaway. We've got a couple of different things going on, but there's going to be a few videos done between the 2 of us this month, and it's around the theme of St. Patrick's Day. So get on over and check out her video for today. I will put the link to the video in below, but she will tell you more about that later on. But that should be a bit of fun. So go and check that out. Okay, so let's get on with our draw. So I'm just going to copy the hyperlink from the video, and then we're going to go over to the comment picker, and I'm going to pop it in there. So I didn't mean to make you all feel travel sick then. Screen moves quite quickly, doesn't it? Oh, I knew I'd make a mess of that. Right, let's get rid of that in a minute, and then let's put that in there. No, that's right. Okay, so now I'm going to put filter duplicate users. We don't want to include the replies. Filter comments based on specific text. No. Exclude blacklisted users. Oh, we don't have any blacklisted users, do we? Okay. Get YouTube comments. There we go. Right, I'm going to just scroll down carefully now, where it says start raffle and pick random winner. Let's just take that advert off there. Thank you. Okay, so this is for the first one is for the £20 gift code for RachandBella Crafts shop. So who have we got? Oh, Deb Stein, congratulations. Right, okay, who's next? So we've got another £20 gift code for RachandBella Crafts. And this time it is Betty Henson. Right, okay, so let's just write that down. Congratulations, Betty. And we've got one more prize for the £20 gift card for RachandBella Crafts, and that is Jennifer Campbell. Well done, Jennifer. So next we have got Rose is doing the Ephemera and Embellishment pack. So let's see who's won that. Trace Jefferson. Oh, there we go. Congratulations, Trace. Okay, and then we've got Shana's index cards next now. So let's see who's won those. Oh, Busy Mum Crafter. Okay, so for the next prize, which is a napkin bundle from Frapps and Scraps from Shauna. Let's see who's won this one. Michelle Simons. Okay, and the next one is for a month subscription to Shauna's Facebook page. Angela Baker, congratulations. So what's up next? Next is the first of Angela Kerr's digital kits. So we have Amy, she's the first winner. Then the next winner is Katie Rogers. And then finally, Carol Brown. Excellent. Okay, so the next prize then is Anna has donated 2 prizes for £20 gift codes for her Etsy shop. So let's see who's won the first one. Pamela, well done, congratulations. Okay, and then the second one, Cherished Mementos. What a nice name. I do apologise about the advert with the bikini lady underneath. I don't have any control over that. Mementos, there we go. So now we're on to Rose's spring digital kit. Just get rid of that advert a minute because it's irritating me. And let's see who's going to win that. Peggy, congratulations, Peggy. You have won the Journals in Time digital kit. Well done. Okay, so the next prize is Sparkles Lynn's fabric album cover. Lovely. Okay, see who's going to win this then. Lisa, congratulations, Lisa. Okay, and then we've got Edith's $25 gift card to her store. Angela, congratulations. Then we've got a digital kit for Periwinkle Matilda Journals store. And that is Hazel. Congratulations, Hazel. And then the last prize is Cori's notebook from her tutorial. So let's see who's won that. Lisa, congratulations. Okay, so I think that's all of the prizes. Yeah, that's my list all filled in, look. Can you please get in touch with the person whose prize you have won? So if it's us, if you've won our gift code, can you please message us on our Etsy store? If it is one of the other YouTubers, can you please message them? I will put their details down below so that you can get in touch with them, all right? I'll do a list in the description box, and I'll put the winner, and I'll put their chosen form of how you to get in touch with them, because obviously some of you will have to give addresses for these items to be posted to you, and some of you will want to spend it on your Etsy shop or in Edith's store. So if you can just check below in the description box, which is, I'll show you if you don't know what the description box is, it's down there. All right, so that's that bit there. I will put it all in there, and then it'll show you then who you need to get in touch with, and how you can collect your prize. I don't think I've got anything. Oh, I do have one more thing to say, actually. I do. Bear with me a second. So before I go on, I just wanted to say a huge thank you. I had these 2 lovely items delivered to me today from my wish list. The first one is these super cute little flower-shaped needle threaders, which I desperately needed more of. And I also had this lovely box with the acrylic stamp holders on. These have come off my wish list, but sadly they didn't come with a name, so Amazon didn't put, the gift receipt thing in. I'm assuming they've been sent to me for my birthday, so thank you very, very much. They have arrived safely today, but can you make yourself known to me if you've sent me these, please? Because I would like to be able to thank you. Amazon are a bit naughty sometimes. They don't always put the you know, the RSVP bit in, do they? The person who's actually paid for it, they never tell you that. So if you could just let me know if it's from you. But thank you very much, it was very, very kind of you. And I really appreciated that, so thank you. Okay, so I think that's everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for coming back to see who'd won. Don't forget to go and check out our new project now this month. Go and look at Rose's video. Have a little look at the demo that she's doing tonight. And then I'll be putting my video on Monday. So if you want to catch the second part of that, that would be great. And then, of course, don't forget as well, middle of the month, I will be launching our new kit that we will be using for the next collaboration, which will be starting in April. And we'll have lots of exciting news about that. So keep an eye out for that as well. But thanks for joining us, guys. Please take care, and we'll be back with you very soon. Bye.